Hello friends, welcome once again to ASM for Online Maths. In this lesson, we shall solve this problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. So we have logarithm of x base 7 to the power of 2 minus logarithm of x power 3 base 7 is equal to 10, and we are interested in finding the value of x. And to solve this particular problem, let us repeat logarithm of x to base 7 all to the power of 2 minus this power of 3 here can come to the back from the laws of logarithm. We have 3 log x base 7, everything is equal to 10. Now notice here that logarithm of x base 7 is common. We can represent it with any letter we like. Let's say let y be equal to logarithm of x base 7. If we do that, we can now replace log x base 7 with y. By so doing, we'll have y squared minus 3y is equal to 10. Solving this, we have y squared minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. We have successfully formed a quadratic equation which we need to solve in order to find the value of x. You then ask yourself, what two numbers will you multiply to get minus 10? If you add, you get minus 3. Of course, the number should be minus 5 and plus 2, because minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, and minus 5 plus 2 is the same thing as minus 3. So we shall now have it as y minus 5 multiplying y plus 2, everything is equal to 0. Okay, now when two terms are multiplying each other to give us 0, you suspect that either one of them is 0 or both of them are 0. So either y minus 5 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 5, or y plus 2 is equal to 0, so y is equal to minus 2. But we are not looking for the value of y, we are looking for the value of x. But remember that this holds the relationship between x and y. So we can write that y is equal to the logarithm of x base 7. Now let us put y as 5. When y is equal to 5, we shall have 5 is equal to the logarithm of x base 7. Okay, now this 7 will be raised to the power of 5, so x is equal to 7 to the power of 5. Of course, which we expand, we get a value for x. Okay, now let us find the value of 7 to the power of 5. That will be 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 into 5 places. Of course, when you do that, you shall be getting that x is equal to 16,807. Also, when y is equal to negative 2, we shall have that negative 2 is equal to logarithm of x to base 7. So 7 to the power of negative 2 is equal to x. So x is 7 to the power of negative 2. So x will now be 1 over 7 squared. And 1 over 7 squared is equal to 1 over 49. So this can serve as another value for x. Okay, so do not forget that this video is proudly powered by you lesson app. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye bye.